Alright, how's it going? What I'm doing today is making a video because I cannot find one online about recalibrating or resetting the doorbell camera for August. So what I've done so far is I've removed the lock so that the calibrate that. I've also done the Wi-Fi adapter to connect to that, and going to my door, I found out the hard way that in order to remove this, there is a screw, Allen wrench screw at the very bottom there, and it took me a while to figure out the size, but the size is a 1/16, is 61 thousandths of an inch, and once you have removed that down there, you would simply just pull it off. They told me not to worry about breaking it, but it does just pop off. This is where the screw connects, but once you do that, you will press the reset button on the back here, and then it should give you a slow green blinking light, which once I reinstall this here, it'll give me a slow blinking green light, which is hard to see with the flash on, but before it was giving me green, which on the website it tells me that what do you call it, it is already calibrated. So I'm gonna pull out my phone, see if I can, stepping in because it was cold, but the instruction here says to make sure it's blinking green. You say yes. Sorry for the flash, I'm not sure how to turn this thing off, but it says now to which house. So I have it attached to my Wisconsin home, which I'll hit OK. Once it's connected, I will select my Wi-Fi, scroll down to the bottom, hit OK, and I enter my password. Once I hit done, it should connect. Just doorbell cam is registered, so I should be good. Once again, sorry for the flash. I'm not sure. It is my old Note 3 I'm recording with, so that I can get this video done, and I do not see this anywhere online how to recalibrate it. So now that it is set, I hit continue. Setup's complete. Choose subscription. Okay, let's see what this is about. Okay, not now. And I'll figure it. And live, I see myself on my phone. Outstanding. So once again, I apologize for the horrible quality and the glare, but if you look closely, the doorbell light would be right here. It's hard to see with the light on flash, but it'll be blinking, and it says see now, motion detected, access not granted, watch live. Okay, well, it detects all that stuff now, so hopefully that helps you a little bit. As I said before, when I bought the house, it came with the August door lock, and it took me a while to figure everything out. But since there's no video, I figured I would explain to you guys once again. The Allen screw at the bottom, remove it, turn it to the left. It'll sound like it's clicking, like you're backing out, but I had to wiggle it out to make it fall all the way out in order to release the piece itself, to keep it from breaking. But hopefully this video helps you. I just figured everything out and called the tech service, so I think they got me set now. But all right, let me know, post in the comments if this helps you at all, and put a like on the video. Thank you.